Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on Slack notification. Missing important messages on Slack? Let me show you how to turn on notification in just a few simple steps, so you never miss a DM, mention or update again. Now let's start by following these steps on mobile and on desktop. Now on mobile, whether it's iOS or Android, just go to the Slack app, click on it, and here you're gonna tap the U icon in the top right corner. As you can see, this is the one. Click on notification, and as you can see here, these are the notification options. From here, we are gonna click on turn on notify me on mobile. Let's click on it, and you're gonna choose always even when I'm active. Here, click on the first option and click on save. Now you can also tap the sounds to choose a tone, and you can set notification schedules. Now on desktop, on the other hand, you're gonna click on your profile picture and then go to preferences and then go to notifications, and you can choose to be notified for all new messages, mentions and DMs, or nothing. And also enable sound and allow notifications in your system settings. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you turn on Slack notifications. Now you're set up to receive Slack notifications, so stay connected even on the go. Remember to use channel-specific alerts or keywords to customize what really matters. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, leave them in the comments below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.